Hello everyone, this is Max Hudson here. I am going to be showing you a tutorial on how to make a timer in JavaScript today. So start out with your HTML tags. Whoop. Your head tag and your body tag. And first off, we're going to make three elements in our body. So we're going to make a span, which is going to display the timer, or where the timer is. And we're going to call that timer out. And we are going to give it the initial innerHTML value of 0.00, and then we're going to make a line break and another one, and we're going to make two buttons. Start timer, and we're going to say on click is equal to, we'll define our function later. So this button is going to start the timer, and then we're going to make another button to stop the timer. And actually we'll make another button which we can reset the timer with. These will just be basically pause and play buttons, and then we'll have a reset button too. Here, I'll just copy this. Reset and reset. Okay, so in our head tag, that's all we'll do for the body tag right now. It should, if you save it and open it, it should look like this. Oh, like that. Start, stop, reset. But these buttons don't do anything yet, as you can see. Yeah. So go back to your document. Close this real quick. And we're going to make our script tag. And in it we're going to define a few variables right off. We're going to define I, we're going to define timer, and we're going to define divide. Basically, I is going to be the number that the timer is. Basically, that's going to be our record of where we're at in our timer sequence, and then our timer is going to be that's just going to be where we set our interval, and then our divide is going to be how big we want our decimal to be. So let's see, we'll do, first we'll make our function start, and we're going to say timer is equal to self.setInterval increment. Our function is going to be called increment, and we want it to play every, let's see, first let's set I equal to 0 and divide equal to 100, and we'll say divided by divide. So basically here we have, when you click this button here, you want to call this function start, and when the function start is initiated, it starts a timer which well, right now every 10 milliseconds it will call the function increment, which is going to it's just going to add 1 to I, and then it's going to give the span called timer out the inner HTML value of I divided by divide, or yeah, divided by divide. So okay, so now we can make our stop and reset functions. Here, I'll show you how this looks so far. Right now. Excuse me. Save that. Open it up. See, right now I can start it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like it's going kind of slow. There. Okay, so, but our stop and reset buttons don't do anything yet. That's just gonna go forever until we tell it stop. So we want to make our function stop. We're gonna say we're gonna clear our interval timer. And we're gonna say timer is equal to null, just to make sure that it's clear, and then we're gonna make our function reset, which is just gonna really simply, it's gonna stop it, and then it's going to set I equal to 0. So then you'll have to press start again to start your timer. Now let's make sure that these buttons do what they're supposed to. You didn't actually need these IDs, but I guess they're just nice for clarity, or if you add styles later. Alright, so save that, open your browser, reload, and now we should be able to stop it. Okay, and then we can reset it. Oh, that didn't. Oh, we didn't. Hold on one second. I forgot to set the inner HTML of timer out to the new value of I. Alright, that should do the trick. Start, stop, start, reset. There we go. So there's our timer. You can obviously you can add styles to it or modify it. You can speed it up so that it's not actually counting in seconds by decreasing your divide number. we'll say we want that to be 10. And now our timer is going to go 10 times faster. Oh, 10 times slower. No, never mind. It's not changing. Well, we can change this. No. Sorry. You'll have to increase this number, I think, to see what that is. That slows it down. And then moving it in the opposite direction, making it smaller, speeds it up. That's just normal. 1. Well, that's weird, but I will look into that and explain it later if I think it's important enough. But for now, this should do the trick. If you don't want to use divide, you can just get rid of that and decide what you want to increment your timer by. And then you can just divide your I variable by the number you want it to show up as a decimal. So yeah, I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Over and out.